everyone, and welcome to Wednesday's English session. So, yesterday we wrote our first 2 stanzas, and today we're going to write a few more. So, again, have a go if you can remember what the next few symbols mean on our map. Okay, so today we're just going to write 2 more stanzas. And we're writing the inside stanza. So both of our stanzas we are going to write today are going to be very similar. So yesterday you did the top and morning. Today we're going to do our 2 insides. Okay. So at the beginning of the week you drafted up some ideas for each of these stanzas to help you. So that should help. So let's have a look at our first stanza for today. So the third one in total. So we are thinking all about things that are inside. Now, I've got the example like before from the sound collector. So these are all sounds that you would hear inside your house. So you'd hear the toaster, you'd hear breakfast and things like that. So things that you could hear inside. Now, when we think about our poem, it doesn't have to be things that you hear. It could be what a house looks like inside at Christmas, what it feels like. It might be some sounds as well, but you don't have to just stick to Christmas sounds. Now remember, I've got my Halloween collector poem up here to help you, to show you how you can take the sound collector and turn it into something else, to give you some ideas for your Christmas poem. And remember, make sure your second and fourth line rhyme if you can. So, pause the video now. You should be experts at this by now and have a go at drafting up this stanza and then copying it onto your final poem. Okay, super work. So all we're going to do now is write a very similar stanza. So the next stanza, so our fourth one, is also inside sounds. Sorry, not just sounds, inside things for Christmas. I was getting confused there. So again, I've got the second bit of the inside from the sound collector. So we've got the frying pan, the grill, the bathtub. So all those things you'd find inside a house or a building. So again, try not to, now this one's very similar to the one we've just written just now. So be careful that you're thinking of different things and they're not all the same. Okay, so try not to repeat the things that you've said in the previous one, even though it's tricky because they're both inside. Again, I've got my Halloween collector poem example to help you. So think of all things inside at Christmas time. Maybe take a look around your house if you're decorated up for Christmas and see what you can see. So pause the video now and have a go at that stanza. Okay, super work. So that is really quick, a really quick video on our English today. But that's all we need to do. So check back in tomorrow. So tomorrow is going to be our final English session of the week, of the term. And we're going to write our remaining 3 stanzas tomorrow. So check back in tomorrow and I look forward to seeing you then.